Kofta and Makhani? Well, not exactly, with a big twist. Check it out, watch it right now while I make an amazing dish for you. So I'm making a bit of a tempering for my koftas, okay? So what do I have here? I have some sauf, I have some dhania seeds, and I have some jeera with a little bit of black peppercorns, okay? So I'm going to be creating this amazing aromatic tempering for my soya koftas. And I'm not just using soya, I'm actually using Emami healthy and tasty soya chunks. I think we have a winner. ये जो पांच का दम है, you know, it's definitely something, and something to taste so good. And you know, I've tried different soya chunks which are available in the market. Taste है ना भैया, taste की बात तो यही है भैया. So what we have done here is taken these soya, soak them in hot water for about half an hour to 40 minutes. Squeeze the water out, rinse it a few times with cold water, and make sure that most of my liquid has come out. So you've got these lovely rehydrated soya chunks, which I'm going to be making with a really nice spices and making these amazing koftas. Now I was talking about makhani. I'll come to that. So we're going to be add a little bit of light soybean oil for this recipe, into which I'm adding my tempering of all my spices here. Look at that amazing cut going on. Beautiful. Next, we have one medium onion which is finely chopped. I'm adding a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of chopped ginger. Lovely. And then 2 green chillies chopped up. जी हाँ जी. Wow. Now the amount of aromas which I'm getting here are just outstanding. Might as well add all these up as well. Okay, next, soya chunks. Bingo. So we have our soya chunks next. I have about a cup of soya chunks which have been rehydrated. Give them a lovely mix here. Beautiful. So salt, swad anusar, or salt to taste here. I have some aloo which I'm also going to be grating and putting it right here. Beautiful. So I've got 2 medium-sized potatoes just to make that lovely texture of our koftas before we actually fry them. Of course we shape wape karenge and all that. बस अब देखते ही रहो. So some fresh coriander. And then, perfect. So I have my aloo and soya ka mixture here, and the aromas which I'm getting, unbelievable, unbelievable, beautiful. So I'm going to let this cool down a little bit, okay, till we actually make the mix. Okay, so let this cool down a bit. I've got with me a little more coriander. I'm going to be adding literally half a teaspoon or so of lovely garam masala, and I'm going to let this cool down. थोड़ी सी binding के लिए just 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs texture के लिए, और फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें literally 1 teaspoon or half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Perfect. अभी हम इसे cool कर देंगे. Shape them into nice balls or croquettes, whatever shape you want to do. Fry them and serve it with that amazing makhani sauce which I'm going to make right now. So we have whole spices like dalchini, badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, peppercorns, and a couple of cloves. So like a mixed little, हल्का सा हम उसको टोस्ट कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें some butter. Beautiful, lovely. And as the butter is getting beautifully melted, I'm going to be adding my ginger garlic paste which I'm going to be cooking down right now. थोड़ी सी हरी मिर्च, हल्की सी कसूरी मेथी, not too much, just a little bit. Amazing, nice. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारा twist, which is lovely pumpkin. So yes, you're right. We are actually making a pumpkin makhani sauce. Delicious creamy pumpkin goes so well with these tomatoes, and especially with all these spices which we have going on here, this is going to be the most amazing dish for our makhani. Amazing, perfecto. इसके बाद अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारा टमाटर का प्यूरे और उसको हम धीमी आंच पे पकाएंगे for 15 to 20 minutes at least before we add our cream, and bingo, our sauce is ready. So while this is actually cooking, why don't we make our koftas and get them ready to fry. Time to blitz them so they all come together और बिल्कुल कोफ्ते जैसा टेक्सचर हो जाएगा हमारा. इसके बाद हम इसके साथ कोफ्ते बना लेंगे, फ्राई कर लेंगे और हमारे पंपकिन मखनी के साथ ज़पैक्स. Let's check this out. Oh yes, यही तो हम ढूंढ रहे थे भैया. परफेक्टो, हमारे कोफ्ते तैयार. वाह, मजा आ गया. So lovely. So we're going to start making little koftas here. Now, if you want, you can even stuff your koftas with some dried fruit, with khoya. Sometimes people want to put paneer. But you know what I was thinking? ये सोया में इतना न्यूट्रिशन जो है, 5 का दम तो है ही. Why would I want to use something like paneer? So I'm only using potatoes here with these lovely minimal spices because you know what? I love this whole flavor of what this dish is going to turn out to be. And look at that sauce here. Oh my God, a pumpkin makhani. I mean, I'm sure you have to try this recipe, yeah? And definitely, if you haven't subscribed this yet, ting ting, ring the bell and please show me some love. Now, memories of soya. Memories of soya. मैं तो एक किताब लिख सकता हूँ उसके ऊपर. Believe me, because you know, as kids, mom has actually fooled us so many times. We thought we were actually eating keema when they were actually soya granules. And then even in mutton. Now remember something. Not everybody could afford like full mutton. People used to add potatoes. People used to. Sindhi की बात कर रहा हूँ. So in the mutton sometimes, mom used to add soya chunks. She used to add some potatoes, some ghee, which is that whole lotus stem. So literally, soya has been a really great part of our lives. And believe me, with all the whole world going plant forward, vegetables first, vegetarian protein, I think, boss, rather than those artificial things, I rather recommend you and everybody else to get cooking and get creative using Emami healthy and tasty soya chunks. Believe me. Lovely. Now a bit of makhani. Yes. So nice smooth blending. I'm going to throw in some cream. We have enough butter, but normally what you can also do is आप इसमें थोड़ा सा cubes of butter भी डाल सकते हो for that extra creaminess, which I will put towards the end. First, let me get my sauce ready for you to show you how a delicious creamy sauce this can be. So I'm going to be just adding a dash, literally like 1 tablespoon of water in this, and then we have some lovely cream going in here as well. Perfecto, beautiful. Abhi it's time to blend it. A little bit of coriander while I blend it, and the rest as a garnish. Amazing. Oh yes. Now that's what I call a lush. Beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that. Lovely consistency, mate. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा बटर, लवली, और हम डालेंगे हल्का सा धनिया, एंड देन वी गोना पुट दिस ऑन द साइड एंड लेट्स फ्राई आवर कोफ्ता. Lovely, nice, crunchy from the outside, soft from the inside. That's exactly what we are looking for. So now it's time to plate this up. Our lovely pumpkin makhani going on board here. Fantastic. Oh, the star of the show, our amazing soya koftas. Beautiful. Amazing. तो हमारी क्रीमी पम्पकिन मखनी के साथ हमारे सोया कोफ्तास इन अ क्रीमी pumpkin sauce ready.